So we're on the way to Santa Pod, halfway up the M1. We're going to Mopar Nationals. Obviously haven't got a Mopar. We've got the Escort on the back. We're going to try and sneak into the Run What You Brung today. I looked at the rules last night. Rules state American bodied or American engined. Obviously I'm running a crowd killing Mustang engine. There ain't much more American than that, is there? So we're going to see if they let us on. Do some Run What You Brungs, hopefully upset a few muscle car drivers. You know what they say about muscle car drivers now? Big block, small car. Exactly. So let's see if we can upset them. Let's get to it.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto H5 Broadway.
That was in sync.
It was, wasn't it? That's what 5 AM get-ups do to you. Got staff today. So we've had a bit of palaver trying to get signed on, but we got there in the end. I think I might have underestimated some of the competition. We got some like 8-9 second motors kicking about, so I think we're going to get worked, but we'll see how it goes. Woo! Done this in a while. What's the feeling coming around there? Keeping it tame for the first one. Let's see if we can just get a nice little passing. Traction, and then grab fifth instead of third. Fuck it. How many excuses do you want?
Missed the gear.
First, second, no grip. Third, well no, missed third, went to fifth, back to third. So complete ash a bit, but we'll go again. Go on, put me out of my misery. What was it anyway?
14-1 at 109.
Oh, awful. Oh, right, we'll go. That's it. 4-hour drive here, 1 crap run, 1 hook and snap. It's tested. Time for some better half shafts, I guess. Oh, annoying. That's racing.
Tell us, what happened?
Well, 300 quid, 4.5 hours to get here. And I think I've snapped a half shaft. Day over, I ain't even got 1 run, so bit gutted. But it was a mega launch though, wasn't it? It hooked.
It was alright.
Well, it hooked until it snapped, and that was it. So, yeah, racing. Until next time.
Till next time.
Alright, as you just see, had a bit of an unfortunate day at Santa Pod. Didn't get one clean run in, bit gutted about that. Second run, loads of grip, nice launch, and bang, something at the back, lost drive. So if you're interested, I'm going to strip it out, see how much damage we've done. There's the answer. Pair of half shafts, both done. That's what 350 horsepower EcoBoost to do to a pair. So the outcome of the damage, done a pair of shafts. I think we're going to need some bearing retainers, and ends of the shafts are stuck in. So I think for good measures, I'm going to strip it out, new bearings, and get it back together. So I just want to thank a couple of people that within hours of breaking it, they were messaging me, offering to send me some half shafts to get me back on the road. But going forward, obviously, I want to put some stronger half shafts in it. So if anyone can recommend any, please get in the comments. Something that's going to hold 350 horsepower. So it's asking a bit much on a launch, but we'll try. We'll get some stronger ones in there. And if you like the video, get in the comments, tell us what you think, and maybe we'll see you next time.